Humility opens the door to continuous learning and genuine respect. Acknowledging what you don't know is the first step toward true wisdom. For instance, consider a seasoned expert in their field who, despite their vast knowledge, actively listens to junior colleagues and admits when they need to learn something new. This humility earns them deeper respect and allows them to continue growing, unlike someone who acts as if they know everything, thereby closing themselves off to new insights. Let's talk about Socrates' wisdom. The ancient Greek philosopher Socrates famously declared, "The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing." This profound humility allowed him to constantly question, learn, and engage in dialogue, making him one of history's most influential thinkers, respected for his intellectual curiosity rather than dogmatic pronouncements.